cut tube sausage. What you want to do is put this tube of sausage in the freezer and let it chill until it gets firm. Cut the end off and squeeze this out. Folks might not realize this, but tube sausage was designed this way. Now spray some water on your knife, or dip it, whatever. It's going to prevent it from sticking. Cut 1/2-inch slices. See how easy that was? It didn't get squished. And I don't have sausage pieces all over my knife. Now I'm going to put it in this foil-lined pan. There you go. Now when you're done, you'll have 6 1/2-inch slices out of this small tube of sausage. And these are going in the oven. Now set your oven at 350. And bake it for at least 20, I'm going to bake mine for 30 minutes and check it. I'm saving these 2 end pieces for sausage gravy. And I'll make that in another video. Sausage is done, y'all. Now I've cooked them like this for sausage biscuits. They're soft, they're not crispy on the outside edges. They're perfect for a biscuit. They're really good for seniors who need their food to be soft. I can freeze these in a Ziploc bag, or I can put them inside of a biscuit and freeze the whole biscuit with the sausage. Now that this sausage is cooled down to room temperature, I've put it in a bag and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to chill it. And that way, whenever I want a sausage biscuit, all I have to do is heat up a sausage patty with a biscuit and eat it. They're perfect for seniors who have to eat soft food. Fuck. It's perfect for seniors who can only eat soft. Fuck. I also like to cook them this way for freeze. Fuck. God damn it.